So my name is Joe Graffeo, and today I'd like to share with you my project, Certified Gamer. Before I do, I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a former college athlete. I played baseball at Lynn University here in Boca, where I also got my degree in sports management. One of the things I always loved about baseball and just sports in general is that competitive environment it provides. And I'm also a lifelong gamer. And gaming has not only been a relaxation tool for me throughout my life, but a competitive and collaborative outlet. That leads me towards the problem. A few weeks back at the Boca Code Alumni Happy Hour at Tap 42, a number of my peers in this room right now got to talking about video games. And while we haven't had much time to play video games during the cohort, we still wanted to connect. We found that process to be incredibly difficult though, and you might be wondering why. On the screen you can see a number of icons. Each of these icons represents a different platform that we use to play games. Each has their own unique usernames, friends lists, libraries, and shops. And basically zero interconnectivity between any of them. I thought to myself, how is it possible that a $300 billion industry could be so segmented? And that segmentation takes away time from the things that we really care about, which is connecting with one another and having fun playing games. I needed a solution, and the solution I came up with was Certified Gamer. It aims to take, thank you. It aims to take everything you need and put it in one place. Usernames, libraries, what you're playing, where you're playing it, all on a single page. Let's check it out. So, we come to the login here. Let me log into my account. And first thing you see when you log in is your profile page.
Wow.
Profile page contains two main things. Starting on the left side of the screen is what I like to call the gamer card. The gamer card consists of a few things from top to bottom. We have the profile picture, a page greeting, a bio where you can kind of tell everyone a little bit about yourself or maybe what you're looking for. And below that, my favorite feature, the tag section, where you can add different platforms' usernames so friends can easily and quickly get that information, add you, and you can get to playing. On the right side of the screen, we have the library portion. There is a playing section for games you're currently playing, a completed section for games that you've already finished, and a backlog for games that you haven't quite gotten around to yet. I say we add something, so let's go to the playing category. And I think we should add, how about Stardew Valley? I know a couple of us in here are big fans. Cass, 5 stars.
5 stars.
5-star rating.
300 hours played.
Well, at the risk of embarrassing myself, I'm just going to put 20 hours and we're going to leave it at that for my hours played. And how about the Nintendo Switch for the platform? And in comments, I love farming. For all those who don't know, Stardew Valley is a farming game. I don't just love farming. Unless any of you are farmers, in which case, forget the game. I do, in fact, love farming. And then now that that's in here, you can click on any of these games in here and get that information you need. One click. So how about we click on Overwatch, and you can view all that information you just put in. Unfortunately for me, the hour count on this one is accurate. And we're going to quickly move on before I have time to self-reflect. And if I want to hide my shame, click the X. Now no one will ever see it again. So let's get back to the presentation. Let me just tell you how I built the app. So for my database, I used MongoDB and I deployed on Azure. I decided to use Mongo because I felt like I would need some strong querying capabilities for this project, and Mongo just fit my needs the best. For my API, Express.js and Node deployed on GCP, and then my front-end React app also deployed on GCP. I used Material UI and CSS to style it. I also hosted static images in an AWS S3 bucket, as well as using Firebase Auth and SSL for security. Just quickly want to go over some things I'd like to do in the future. I'd love to be able to add a friend list where you can kind of get a dynamic feed that updates your friend's gaming activity, as well as some more platform integration, so streamlined friending and friend requesting. And you can contact me at any of the following. Thank you very much, and any questions are welcome.